Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. A huge night for the markets, one of the biggest nights ever for the markets. NVIDIA, the overall market, we're covering it all live with a special first time to announce a world exclusive. We are covering a live event, the very first time. Jen Hsun Huang live interview. That's coming up straight after the earnings. Plus, we are doing Virgin Galactic on the extra channel. So this is the build-up. This is the build-up, crash to boom. We're going to get ready. I've placed my limit orders on the S&P 500. Another 10 shares at 540 on the S&P 500. So if we suddenly get a flash crash and it drops, I am ready to pounce and buy another 10 at 540. I am ready to rock and roll. Are you? So let's get to it. It's going to be a huge event tonight. Tap the like button. It's all lined up for you. Double earnings at the same time. Huge events, polls, live phone-ins. It's all happening. Tap the subscribe button and join us. There is the NVIDIA earnings happening. We'll be live. Not a good sign. No gold jacket. Would you like me to wear a gold jacket? If you want me to put the gold jacket on for a gold night, I will do it. If we get, what have we got now? If we get 150 likes, and then once we get 150 likes, if we flood the channel with the word gold, the chat that is, I shall go and put on the gold jacket. I am very, very bullish. I'm very happy. If we get a drop just before the call, and the earnings call is 1 hour and 10 minutes away, that's the announcement of the figures. We're going to get it live. If we get something that rocks the boat and the S&P drops, I'm ready to buy 10 more shares at 540. 10 more shares at 540. If it goes up, I'm doing absolutely nothing and I will cancel my order. Right? Okay, so are you ready? If we get 150 likes, then and then if we get gold flooding in the chat, I will get the gold jacket out. All right, okay. So tap the like button. Are you ready? It's a huge night. This is what we got coming up for you tonight. So this is where we're live right now, covering NVIDIA on the extra channel. Coming up very shortly in 85 minutes, the Virgin Galactic earnings. That's happening on the extra channel. That's happening on the extra channel tonight. Here is the link for the extra channel. Here it comes in the chat. And you can see the Virgin Galactic earnings. Many of you will be watching both at the same time. There is that one. That's where we are right now. This is the NVIDIA event. We're covering the build-up to the earnings. We're not there yet. We will bring it to you all live. There is the NVIDIA earnings. You have it pinned in the chat. It's up to the top, and it'll automatically take you there as well. Plus, after all of that, a special last-minute surprise, a live interview with Jen Hsun Huang. Fantastic. This will follow the earnings, a live interview with Jen Hsun Huang. What is he going to say tonight? What's going to happen? All of that is coming up tonight. Here are all the links if you want to follow me on X and Instagram. There's the Alpha Spread Seeking Alpha. Become a member of the channel and get the free training when your Discord turns 1 month badge. There are all the links in the chat. Are you ready? Are you buckling up? I have already my orders placed for 10 more of the S&P. If we drop to 540, the S&P right now on VU, that's what I'm talking about. Here is VU. We've had a bit of a sell-off today, preparing for this. We went down, we're at 545. We went down as low as 544. So if it goes down somewhere around about here, 540, I'll buy another 10. Because if it does drop there, it'll come straight back up again. If NVIDIA disappoints and it goes back to more fundamentals rather than momentum, then people will just buy it up and it will go straight back up again. So I'm ready for a flash crash. Are you ready for your orders? You know your position. This is my position. We're a bit down today again. We're going down again, waiting for this big moment. I think it's all nonsense once again. So let's see if we can get the likes up. If we get 150 likes, and then you flood the channel with gold, I'll put the gold jacket on for good luck. All right. But we're so far. What are we at so far? I think we've got 45 likes so far. Tap the like button. Consider subscribing. And we'll also open up a live phone in as well. So are you excited? Let me read all the comments. Let me bring everybody in. Are you excited about tonight? Hopefully, yes, NVIDIA could help Robinhood go up. And I bought more shares on the dips. Boom to crash or crash to boom. Whichever the outcome, we believe in NVIDIA, Max Morecom. It's a win-win situation. I agree it is. As long as you are prepared, you have money, and you're ready to go. Yeah, but they lied about DeepSeek. Did they? No, I don't know about that. It costs billions. Capital is ready to be deployed. Congratulations. The Lucas indicator has been right every time. So even if NVIDIA dumps back to 110, it will soon be up. I absolutely agree. So I kind of hope it does in a way. I hope it's a great earnings, but it still disappoints. Everyone sells it. I buy it back. I buy more of the S&P, essentially. Max Morecom. Are you ready? Every best NVIDIA earnings stock price swing up has been in February historically. Every best NVIDIA earnings stock price swing up has been in February historically. Okay. Load the boat, baby. NVIDIA is on a mission. If it hits 120 or 122, I buy. Songs for space. Nope. Bogner, behind closed doors, Jetson has been selling H100 chips to China. Wondering when he will mention about his superbot Nebby he's got stashed. He does need to deliver. What is that alien? I have no idea what we're talking. What is that, Alan? I have no idea what we're talking about here right now. You've lost me. Microsoft announced reduced AI capex. Yes, gamers are getting peed off with NVIDIA. Very high prices, 2,000 video cards burning due to bad connections. And the multi-frame generation is cheating the figures as far as FPS improvements compared. Interesting, JD. Thank you for that information. Anyone mention the problems NVIDIA has had with their NVIDIA cards to the last series? This is some new information to me. I'm just finding this out. Alan Kerr, let's have a look. Yen gives you a clue of what is coming our way. So do we get a beat tonight? Thoughts? Yes, we do get a beat tonight. I've already declared it in the video, I believe. This feeling is like waiting for my exam results. The right result is the bananas or for a vacation. The wrong is Bogner. I don't really get it. I also believe in good earnings with positive guidance. So bought some NVIDIA in the 120s. Today's figures will show this OFC. Next figures will, as AMD will start recovering market share in video cards. We seem to be in risk-off scenario. Anything but perfect from NVIDIA could cause some real ripples. I don't know. I think we've already sold off enough. Let's get ready to rumble. Thank you, my super chat. Have I got the alerts turned on? I didn't see that. Did that pop up? I didn't see it. Thank you so much indeed. No gold jacket. Well, I will if we get to 150 likes. Tap the like button, and then if we flood the chat with gold, then the gold jacket comes out tonight. It's always been good luck when we get the gold jacket out. So tap the like button. Have we got enough people to get 150 likes yet? Not yet. So keep tapping the like button. I'll tell you when I can do a 30-second countdown. We're not quite there yet. I think you're spot on, JD. You need a whole gold suit for this one. Woody Unfiltered. Gold. Good evening, people. Let's hope for super earnings. No tapping is slacking. Get tapping the like. There it is. Get tapping the like button. I'm so bullish. I have grown horns by NVIDIA. Hello all. Brace yourself, says Stelios. Those are the thoughts. Those are the toughest 2 years. Crypto's first big hearing at the moment. $900 ready. Afternoon or evening or morning. Hope everyone's having a good day. Gold. We haven't got 150 likes yet. We're 71. I'll let you know when we get close and there's enough people in the chat to do it. Definitely is a win-win situation. I believe it is. I believe it is. I am red at the moment, but we're green for NVIDIA. Now, if you've just tuned in, you've got a lot coming up tonight. This is what's coming up. We've got Jen Hsun Huang live interview tonight after the earnings. Oh yes, we're covering a live interview tonight. You can't miss that. We've got the NVIDIA earnings in just a few minutes time. I will bring you the numbers before the call begins in exactly 1 hour and 5 minutes from now. I'll have it first. All right? You won't see it anywhere first. NVIDIA. This is where we are live right now, and on the extra channel at the same time, we're covering the Virgin Galactic earnings at the same time. All that's coming up tonight for you, and I've got my orders placed to buy another 10 shares of the S&P if it drops to 540. We're here. We're excited. Okay, if we get 150 likes, we're going to bring out the gold jacket. The gold jacket always brings luck on earnings. So smash the like button, 150 likes, out comes the gold jacket. We're not quite there yet. We've got 80 likes. Once we get about 50% of the audience, I will tell you and I will count it down. Will NVIDIA impact SMCI and MU? Yes, definitely. To be honest, always went with AMD for graphics cards. Stelios, NVIDIA gives the signal for the whole SP even more on semis. Curious how space will do today. Sid, we're covering it on the extra channel at the same time as this, the Virgin Galactic earnings. Did you see the video earlier today? Getting very exciting. Buy at 120. Vel. Hello from Slovenia, NVIDIA. Great company, but it's overpriced. No, it isn't. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with the forward PE is good. Space could steal for long. Space to the moon. SPCE, old me. That's on the extra channel tonight. Where will there be Q&A with Jetson? Q&A, yes, there will be Q&A with Jetson on the call, and then we have a live interview with Jetson right after the call. Bloodbath is on. Player 666. I'm not so sure I agree with that at all. Wouldn't say Bloodbath is on, but I mean, we're a bit down today, and we have been for a couple of days, but nothing specific. This is expected before the call. I'm completely happy with this. No issue at all. Yes, I'm waiting for the earnings video. Got it ready. Okay, we are good to go. So, do we have 150 likes now for the gold jacket? Are we going to get there? Right, I think we can do it. There are 229 of you watching. So are you ready? Let's do it. There are 229 watching. If we get 150 likes, we put on the gold jacket. It's always brought us luck. There are 237 of you watching. 239. We want 150 likes. Let me refresh the screen. Here we go. I think we're just coming up to 100. 94 likes. We need 56 more likes, and then we're going to get the gold jacket. It's always brought us luck. Are you ready? Come on, let's get going. I've got 10 orders of the S&P ordered at 540. If we drop, I'll be buying more, and I'm excited about tonight. This is going to be a great evening. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's refresh the screen. Have we got 150 yet? I'm only going to give it a minute. 94 likes. We're now at 109. 41 to go. And then, Bitcoin is collapsing again. Bitcoin. Let me just bring you all. Bitcoin is a big night. This could be good for NVIDIA. This could be good for NVIDIA. People are now extremely fearful of crypto, and they should be. I put out a video this morning explaining that. You need to know what you own. This could be good for NVIDIA. People go, do you know what? Sod it. I'm selling my Bitcoin. I'm going to buy NVIDIA. This could be a huge night. Can you imagine if Bitcoin, we said it's going to go down 50%. Can you imagine if it goes down tonight and everyone buys into NVIDIA? Unbelievable. I mean, that could happen if it keeps going down like this on the night that NVIDIA could explode. Let's have a look. All right, this could be a huge night for everybody. All right, back to the main channel. We need 150 likes, then the gold jacket comes out. Someone just mentioned it to me. It wasn't even in my plan, but one of you mentioned it and said, can we have the gold jacket? Always brings good luck. 126. All right, we are 24 more likes to go. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get ready to rumble as we watch Bitcoin literally falling off a cliff. It's now 82,000. Oh my God. If everyone sells Bitcoin tonight just to buy NVIDIA, can you imagine? Can you imagine that moment? We are very, very close now. Tap the like button. 150 likes. We're going to put on the gold jacket. We're going to have some fun here tonight. This will be great. All right, let me have a quick look. What have we got now? 126. Are we getting there? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 130. 20 more to go. We're nearly there. Let me have a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going down very, very quickly. How does that compare to XRP? XRP is also down, but nowhere near as bad as Bitcoin. This is awful, but maybe people are taking profit to buy NVIDIA. Could work out for all of us investors very, very nicely indeed. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is stabilizing at the moment. Tap the like button, folks. As soon as we get to 150, you've asked for the gold jacket of luck. It always brings us luck. We'll bring it out. Okay, let's have a quick look. Are we nearly there? Let's have a look. Are we nearly there? We got a live interview, Jen Hsun Huang, this afternoon. We got the Virgin Galactic earnings. We got the NVIDIA earnings. We're at 141. Absolutely great. Just 9 to go. Let's count it down. 30 seconds. We just need 9 more likes, and then we get ready to rumble. Okay. Let's go, 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 go. Very exciting evening. Let's go through. Let's have a look at the position NVIDIA is holding. Let me bring your comments on screen. 150 is slacking. Let's smash the like to 200. Good evening, Lucas Aids. Craig, how are you doing tonight? XRP and Bitcoin will always be up and down. Buy now, look again in the next 5 years. Wow, that makes no sense though. If you've got to wait 5 years, you might as well just put your money in the S&P. You double your money every 7. So what's the point of that? Bitcoin tumbling, NVIDIA marching. It could be a big night. Okay, I think we're about to do it. Have we got 150 likes? Are we going to bring out the gold jacket? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let me refresh the screen. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. Have we done it? 159. We smashed it. Absolutely awesome. All right, now this was not my plan. 161, we're zipping right through it. You asked me, I wasn't going to do it, but one of you said, would you wear the gold jacket? It brings good luck. So what you have to do now, as I said to you, if we get 150, then if you want the gold jacket, copy and paste gold in the chat, and I will go and get my gold jacket. So what you do is you write the 4 letters, gold, and you copy and paste. Let's have the chat go. Let's have the chat go viral. Ready? Like that. Okay, copy and paste, everybody. I'll go and get the gold jacket of luck. It's always brought us luck before, and it will bring us luck tonight. I love it. It's a gold jacket. Why not? Okay, let's go and get it. While I'm doing that, I'm going to leave you with some funky music. I've got to go to the wardrobe, the closet, whichever way you call it, and I'll be back in 1 minute. Enjoy the music.
The year is 1991.
See you in a minute.
And people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Fury
rock and roll tonight. Okay, you asked for the gold jacket, and here is the gold jacket. In fact, you asked for it, you get it. Good. I'm loving it. Okay, here we go. Gold jacket ready to rock and roll. So if you've just tuned in tonight, we were having some fun. The audience were asking for me to put the gold jacket on. It always brings us luck, so we're doing it tonight. If you just tuned in, you have got one amazing night lined up for you tonight. It's all going on. So if you're new to the channel, tap the like button as we do it every single day and consider subscribing. What we got now, this is the build up. We're going to do this now for about another 20 minutes. Okay. After this, after we've gone through the build up for NVIDIA, this is what we've got coming up for you tonight. On the extra channel, this is happening on the extra channel at the same time as I do the NVIDIA earnings. On the extra channel, we're covering Virgin Galactic. We built this channel on Virgin Galactic. It's how it all started. So we're still covering all the earnings, but sadly, it's dropped to the extra channel. It doesn't get the tens of thousands of views that NVIDIA does. So if you want to tune in tonight for Virgin Galactic, there is the chat. There it is. The easier way for you to find it is you go to the home page of the channel, and what you do is you look on the home page of the channel, scroll down, and you'll find the extra channel right there. Click on that, and you'll find the upcoming live stream of Virgin Galactic right at the top. The Lucasades, they'll be watching both at the same time. If I can produce two at the same time, you can definitely watch two, right? Well, sort of. Okay, that's one thing. Now, the next thing that we have is we have the earnings itself. This is the earnings tonight. It's pinned to the top. This live stream will automatically take you to the event itself. At the end of this stream, in a few minutes, it'll go directly to the NVIDIA earnings. It's pinned to the top. We also have a poll in the chat, and it will take you directly to the earnings. So we're ready for the announcement of the figures, and then we're ready before the call begins. Then, straight after the earnings call, a big surprise just announced a few minutes ago, world exclusive. We're bringing you a live interview with Jen Hsun Huang right at the end of the earnings. Directly, we're going to go to a live interview with Jen Hsun Huang, and you're going to hear his thoughts after the call. You can't afford to miss that. Everything tonight is going to set the market. Everything is going to set the market. It's either going to crash or boom. That is the name of the game tonight. So what are you doing? What am I doing? This is my strategy. Let me share with you my strategy, what I am doing tonight. This is my position. I've now got $300,000 invested, $300,000, and this is what we're doing tonight. If you scroll down here, you can see I'm 100% in the S&P 500. There you go, 99.8. If you see right down here, if you scroll down to my, in fact, it's at the top. Upcoming order. I have got I've got an order in to buy 10 shares of VU at $5.40 if it drops to $5.40, because even if it's a good beat, we could get a flash crash and then it'll come straight back up. I do not want to miss a flash crash. That could happen, and if it does, I'm buying another 10. If we get a good earnings, it could sell off. If we get a bad earnings, it could sell off. But whatever it does, it will go back up again. So if it does sell off, it'll be an immediate buyback over the next 24, 48 hours. So either way, I want to jump on that. Okay, so I'm very, very excited about tonight. All right, that's my strategy. If it goes up and it's a great beat and it doesn't sell off, or there's no issue beforehand, then I won't be buying the dip, and I don't need to. I've got enough anyway. I just want to grab some more if it does go lower. And that is quite a drop from where it is right now on the S&P 500. So that's what you've got lined up for you tonight. Now then, we are under 1 hour now before the numbers are revealed. I'm going to bring you some breaking news, how the markets are preparing for all of this, plus more questions. So gold, Joseph Gaio. Lots of gold. Everyone's doing the gold. Thank you for taking part in that. If you now, and what I want to do for the next 15 minutes is go members only, because we're going to be very, very busy tonight. And I want to make sure that we've covered everybody's questions. Everyone's been answered. So for the next 15 minutes, I'd like to go over to members only so I can answer everyone's question. This show is always and always will be about the members. We have over 1,700 members now. So if you have a comment, a question, you can now repeat your comment, your question, and I will answer it for you. So, Jeffrey Torres, did you sell your Coca-Cola? Yes, I did. I made $670 profit, 4% in about 2 minutes on the earnings. I took all my profit, bought the dip of the S&P, and that was what I did. So yes, I did. We're talking about the Roth IRA. Okay. So NVIDIA 150. Yes, I believe it's going to 200 within the next 7 to 8 months. That's my belief. Based upon numbers, just numbers, not emotions, just numbers. All right. Is everyone excited? Okay, we're now in members only mode. NVIDIA, Joseph Kinch. Everyone now can repeat their comments, their questions, and I will answer everyone's questions. NVIDIA 150. If NVIDIA booms tonight, can you sell after hours? How, please? Yes, you can. I use Robinhood. It trades 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And yes, I can trade after hours, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. If you'd like to be able to trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, there's my Robinhood link. If you click on that link, it's in the chat. You can get some free shares of Robinhood. We both get free shares, and then you can set it up right now, and you will get free shares live right now on the show, and you'll be able to trade 24/7. If you're in the UK, there is Robinhood UK in the chat. All right. So if you're in the UK, I've also got a Robinhood UK account. All these links, by the way, are below all my videos, and you can get that. If you want my software, Alpha Spread and Seeking Alpha, you get free trials, discounts, which you can't get without a referral. So you might want to check out the links there. If you want to follow me on X and Instagram, where I tell you about all my trades before I'm making them, there's my X Instagram, again, below all videos. If you want to become a member of the channel, get all the members-only live streams, members-only videos, there's many things that you don't get as a general public. We have lots of members-only live streams, members-only videos. Plus, I answer everyone's comments and questions on YouTube. I also engage with you on X and Instagram if you are a member. You can also book in earnings. This was booked in by one of our members. You can also have stock reviews done as well, plus a free song on the Friday concert on the music channel. There's the music channel. And you can also get a birthday request and many other perks that you get as being a member. We have meetups, we have special events, all kind of things. We've got my birthday coming up next week. That'll be members only. I'll be getting drunk live on the show this year. Because I'm getting older, I want to eat burgers and get drunk. Getting drunk is not working for me anymore. I'm too old for that. I need to get drunk while eating burgers. So this year it's going to be eat burgers and get drunk. That's coming up on the first week of March. I can't work out whether to do it on the Monday or the Friday, because my birthday is March the 9th on the Sunday. So I can't work out, should I do March the 10th or the Friday? I haven't decided yet. Anyway, I'm sure you'll join me for that. I see all the news, even tonight with NVIDIA, given the tariff fears in the market currently. I see all sell the news event tonight. Cedar Trees? I don't think so. Martin, I didn't even realize someone gifted me a 30-day membership. Joseph Kinch, yes, they did. We gave away the other day about 700 members. We paid for your members. One of our members here did it for you out of their hard-earned money. They bought many of you memberships. Once if you renew your membership and it gets a 1-month badge and you renew it, you can then get all the free training, all the free chart analysis, all the one-on-one training, all the training videos on Discord. And you get all of that exclusive by becoming a member. All right? Once you do that. Landbridge is up 5% today. No surprise at all. I told you Landbridge and TPL was one of our best businesses. I'm not surprised at all by that. plus bearish divergence setup on a daily and a weekly chart. Do you know, I'm not concerned what the chart is telling me at all. I'm looking at the fundamentals, the relationships I've made online, and I believe that we've got a long way to go for NVIDIA. Should I buy NVIDIA before the earnings? Well, I can't tell you. I can tell you now that I've set a buy order to buy the S&P 500 if it drops, and I'm already fully invested anyway with NVIDIA. I own about $25,000, maybe $30,000 of NVIDIA with my $300,000 investment. In fact, not quite that much, is it? It's about $25,000 of NVIDIA I own. The fact I have $300,000 in the S&P, isn't it like 6% of the S&P? Something like that. Should I buy NVIDIA earnings? That's my answer. What's the best price to entry the S&P 500? There's not a best price. There's not a best price. The S&P isn't about price. It's about buying and owning it and never selling it. I bought it at 40% lower than where it is today, and I'm still buying it today. I continue to buy the S&P year in, year out. I say year in, year out. I've only been doing it 14 months, let's be honest. Make or break day for the entire market. I agree for you. I agree with you. RVLZ, how's it going? Looking forward to your birthday. Thank you, Jocelyn. Yes, it will be a good day. Can't work out whether it should be the Friday or the Monday. Quite honestly, I'm not sure. Google is down at a nice price, $174. Yes, Google is a good value, but NVIDIA is a better value. All right, now then, we're going to end this stream in a few minutes and take you to the earnings. So we are ready to announce the earnings the moment they come out. We also have the Virgin Galactic going live at the same time. So there's a lot going on. Now, I want to have a quick look here. This is the live interview. Got Jen Hsun Huang tonight coming up after the earnings. A live interview. Yep, it's a live interview right after the earnings. We've also got the earnings themselves. We're about to go there in just a few minutes from now. That's really exciting. And we're also covering the Virgin Galactic earnings on the Extra channel. All of this you can find on the homepage of this channel and below in the description of the video. All right, we're up to 70,136 subscribers. Thank you so much indeed. Really do appreciate your support to the channel. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. All right, okay. Who's ready to start the earnings? Should we just calm down? Should we have a quick glass of water? Oh, I'm loving it. I'm excited. Who's excited? I'm pumped. I'm ready. I know what I want to do. If it goes down, I buy. If it goes up, I do nothing. Simple. I already know what I'm going to do. There's no emotions attached. There's none of that. Taking into account for tariffs possibly coming, how do you think it affects NVIDIA? I think it'll be okay. Most of the tariffs, I believe, will go away. They'll be negotiated away. We've just seen another move today from Trump. It's just creating chaos. We've just got to get through these months, these couple of months. Things will settle down. And tariffs are only short-term inflationary. After that, they're not. So I'm actually just systems as normal. I'm not letting the tariffs cloud my judgment in what I'm investing in at all. I'm just carrying on regardless. Let me read your comments. Sorry for the late extra question. I use Robinhood, but not gold yet. Do I need to do a limit order, or can I sell using the sell button after hours? No. Shannon Davis. You must do a limit sell if you want to sell your order. Let me explain why if you just click sell, you'll lose money. Okay? The stock market is moving like this. Really quickly. You're only seeing this. You're only seeing this, right? Because you're not getting the second-by-second trades on Robinhood. You're not seeing that, but it's changing. It's trading milliseconds up and down really quickly, and it smooths it out. So what you do, especially in the after hours, which is when the earnings will be, you've got to set a limit order to buy and a limit order to sell. That way, you just set your price. Remember, trailing stop orders don't work after hours. You've got to set a price, like what I have done. If I go to my main account and I show you, this is my real money, my real trades, whatever. If I go to VU, there's my VU. You'll see I have got a limit order placed. There you go. I've got a limit order. Whoops-a-daisy. Let me cancel it. Whoops-a-daisy. I've got a limit order. Can you see that? A limit price of $540, 10 shares, good till cancelled. I've done, the 24 hours, good till cancelled, blah, 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 blah. So if it hits 540, I buy 10 shares. That's it. I'm not bothered if it's 539, 538. I don't care. As long as it's 540, it will buy. I'm not trying to time the market. I'm not trying to beat the market. It's completely a fool's game to do that. It doesn't matter if you're buying it for the long term, whether you paid 540, 539, 541. It doesn't matter. It's about accumulating when it goes down on a flash crash. That's what I want to do. Okay, so you've got to do the same thing. You've got to set a limit order. Thank you, says Daniel. What time NVIDIA earnings will be announced? They'll be announced in half an hour from now. I will be live. I will bring you the numbers, and then we'll have the earnings call, and then we'll have the the interview with Jen Hsun Huang live. All that's happening. Have a puff. No idea what that means. Got my AI mug, and I'm loving it. List and win. Take care of it. Wash it by hand is my recommendation. My whole account is in NVIDIA. Long call with a snap, with a SMAP put for insurance. Mike Davis, good luck to you. I only own the S&P. I don't believe in owning one single stock, and I never do options, and I never short stocks. That is not what I do at all, but I wish you the very, very best. Is AMD a good buy? I wouldn't be buying it. I'm ready, but I got to go walk the dog before the call. Good luck. Okay. That's cool, Mike. I'm learning options currently. I don't do options. I believe it's gambling. I don't want to predict a time and a place. I just want to own the business. I don't want to own a contract with a promise to maybe buy it or not. I just want to own the business, and that is it. I love NVIDIA, but shorted a lot. I don't short stocks at all. I love NVIDIA, but shorted a lot. Oh, it's Ed Nevius. I didn't realize it was Ed Nevius. How are you, Ed? Our silent angel behind the channel doing lots of work. Ed Nevius provides the training. Ed Nevius, I actually sent you a message, a direct message on Discord. Never heard from you. Go and please check that. Where I'm arranging a time for the three of us, me and you and Sensei, to get together to record the training videos. We're about to do it. Sadly, I never heard from you. So go and check your direct message if you wouldn't mind. That would be great. I can't buy VU in the UK. Do you know what is best equivalent? There really isn't. People will say all kinds of things. There really isn't anything like the S&P. I've looked at certain things that are similar, but really there isn't one equivalent Jerry Mandarin, I'm afraid. There are ways of buying VU. You just need to use a different brokerage account. Limits equal buy or sell it at your price. That's correct. Just buy SPY. No, SPY is wrong. You should buy VU. SPY is not the right thing for a retail investor. It's too expensive. And I don't mean the price of the stock. I mean the management fee. If you are buying SPY, you are making a mistake. You are buying SPY because you probably think, well, that's what Wall Street do, so why not I? No, you should buy VU. VU is undoubtedly the right thing. It was set up for retail investors who aren't trading millions of trades a second. All right. The other one has higher liquidity and it has higher management fees. Forget the price of the stock. It was set up at different times, but the growth is exactly the same. You're buying exactly the same thing. So, okay, you are the best. Shannon, thank you so much indeed. That's a good limit sell on NVIDIA. I'm holding a few. I'm basically a salesman with options. I'm basically an instant salesman with options. Mike Davis, I'm not sure I understand the The GOAT. Thank you so much, Lestin. Sorry, we'll check. VUSA. It's not the same, but it's similar, I suppose. You can't really compare it, but thank you very much indeed, VUSA. Naughty Ned, Lestin, were headed up. What is a reasonable management fee? Well, the VU is 0.03. You don't need to pay for someone to manage your money. This is why all these managed funds are a waste of money. ARK Invest, it only benefits Wall Street, only benefits those that set it up. Don't do it. Don't fall for it. 0.03 on VU is fine. 0.09, these things add up. You don't want to be paying more than necessary. There are many management funds with 1 or 2%, 3% even. Absolutely ridiculous. You don't need it. It was set up for hedge fund managers to make money. Remember, Wall Street was not built to make you money. It's a business within a business. All right? Trading on the stock market is a business. Robinhood run a business by you trading. They don't care whether you're up, down, or sideways. They make money whatever happens. Right, folks? I've got through all of your questions. Martyn, can you help me understand all this? I am new and I need help. Tamika Cook, yes, I can. On the earnings call, we're going to open up the phone line and you can phone in. You are a member. You can call in, be on the show, ask me a direct question, ask me anything about anything at all. Everything is here, completely transparent, completely honest. Ask me anything you want live on the show, and I will do that, okay? So if you want to know anything at all, I'm going to open up the phone line next. So, are you ready? Here we go. It's time for the earnings. So, over on the Extra channel, starting shortly, is the Virgin Galactic earnings. We're doing the Virgin Galactic earnings at the same time as the NVIDIA earnings. All you got to do is look on the homepage of this channel, find the Extra link, and you can go directly there. On this channel, starting in a couple of seconds, is the NVIDIA earnings. Live phone in. We're going to cover the earnings call. We're going to give you the numbers before the call begins. We're going to give it you ahead of time. I am ready to buy another 10 shares of the S&P. It's all happening here live with the best analysis, plus live phone-ins and polls. Then we have a world exclusive, brand new, live, unedited, live interview with Jen Hsun Huang straight after the earnings call. Does it get better than this? I don't think so. So, are you ready? Are you ready to party tonight? The link for the NVIDIA earnings is in the chat. It's pinned to the top, live right now. Here is the link, just in case you can't see it, but it's pinned to the top. Here is the link. It'll automatically take you there as well, so you don't have to worry about it. There is the link. I've dropped it half a dozen times in the chat. NVIDIA is going up. We've got half an hour or 25 minutes before the announcement. We're going to cover it live. So are you ready? Are you ready? You can click on that link, stay where you are, go to the pin, look on the homepage. You can come straight to the NVIDIA earnings. It's time to make some money. I'm ready with my orders to buy. I'm excited. Are you ready to make some money? If it goes down, I'm buying. If it goes up, I do nothing. That's it. You know what I'm going to do. You know where I am, 100% in the S&P. So I own the NVIDIA through that. The S&P is now going up quickly. There it is. Look at my S&P going up. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Look at that. My portfolio is going up quickly now. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. So are you ready? Let's get ready to rumble. Join me now on the earnings. Then we have Virgin Galactic on the Extra channel at the same time. And then we have Jen Hsun Huang interview. Where else are you going to watch this tonight? Nowhere. You ready? Let's go. Join me now for the earnings. Links in the chat, homepage, pinned to the top, or stay where you are. Take care of yourselves and each other. It's showtime.